Hello guys, hope you are doing great. Today we'll discuss about how ions are formed. Let us start. Ion. What exactly an ion is? So an ion is a positively or negatively charged atom. Ions are of two types, cations and anions. Cations are positively charged, while anions are negatively charged. A cation is formed by the loss of electron. Therefore, a cation always contains less electron than a normal atom. For example, sodium, whose electronic configuration is 281. After losing one electron, sodium forms positive charge ion, which is called cation, whose configuration is 2, 8. So here the number of electrons in sodium atoms are 11, while in sodium cations are just 10, which is less than sodium atom. Similarly, ions of all metal elements like your magnesium, aluminium forms cations. On the other hand, an anion is formed by the gain of one or more electron by an atom. Therefore, an anion always contains more electron than a normal atom. For example, chlorine, whose atomic number is 17 and its configuration is 287, having 17 electrons. To form an anion, it will gain one electron and will acquire one negative charge. And the configuration can be written as 288, having 18 electrons. Over here, chloride ions definitely have more electrons than chlorine atom. Therefore, the ions of non-elements are known as anions, like oxide ion, nitride ion, hydrogen ions. So these are cations and anions. Few examples of cations are there. For example, if an atom loses one electron, then it will acquire 1 unit positive charge. For example, sodium, potassium. On the other hand, if an atom loses 2 electrons, it will acquire 2 positive charge. For example, calcium ion, magnesium ion. If an atom loses 3 electrons, then it will acquire 3 positive charge. For example, Al plus 3, Fe plus 3. Similarly, few examples of anion, like when an atom gains 1 electron, then the anion formed has 1 unit negative charge. For example, chloride ion, fluoride ion. In case if an atom gains 2 electron, then it will acquire negative 2 charge on it. For example, oxide ion, sulfide ion. One more case where an atom can gain 3 electron to acquire -3 charge over their head. For example, nitride ion and phosphide ions. So this is about the formation of cations and anions. We'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.